State asigi erang da BJP leingak ki mityeng amadi thoudang da Meeyam na Akanba pressure Peeba Mathou Tai haina AICC ki secretary Manipur in charge Christopher Alok na phongdokre. Imphal ki BT rota leiba Congress bhavan da ngasi pangthokiba pawgi mifamda Christopher Alok na phongdokibada state asigi erang asigi oinadi BJP ki double engine gi leingak asi engine fail oire. Amaromda state amadi center da paliba BJP leingak na erang asida yengliba mityeng amadi makhogi thoudang da Meeyam na Akanba pressure pisinba Mathou Tai. Tholiba erang asida lamdam asigi economic activities sing sublab kre loinana lau siung gi thabak su mapung phana paikhatpa ngamdrai. Maram aduna sabsaba solution ama purakna ba Meeyam na leingak ki mathakta Akanba pressure pimina se haiki.
I would like to seriously focus on 2-3 key issues which are a big question mark with regard to the future generations of Manipur. First one is the state of economy. I think it is in a complete standstill because of the violence which started last year in 2023. Obviously, economic growth, economic activity, everything is being ruptured, and the state of the future of youth is a big question mark. And secondly, agriculture, which has been the main source of employment, that is also now very much into a deep crisis. In this kind of circumstances, what are we going to do for the youngsters? For people who are inside the state, there is no education. For people who are outside the state, the financial challenges which they have to face for their education is huge. And I don't think the present government seriously gives a thought about all these issues.
Paugi mifam adu da sarugya ki ba CLP ki leader Okram Ibovina phongdokibada Union Cabinet ke mifam na ngarang Assamese, Marathi, Pali, Prakrit amadi Bengali loan singbu Indian classical language ta yaholaga Manipuri loan buna sida huriba asigi sabsaba maramadu mari lenebo authority na pifam thoe. BJP leingak na Manipuri loan bo maru oina logde takpane haike. Amaromda MPCC ki president MLA ke Megasundran hai malem da irang thoktaba lam laite adumaina mak state asida irang thokpa matamda asuk kuiba matam asi BJP leingak na kari yenglaga leiribano state asida su hojik leingak leiribra na targana leitrabra haibagi wahang amasu lakle haike.
Loan se classic language le yahon bi se shishu akoi sida santi leitri ya iroi haibadi ngati lu tobi ya aso criteria du fulfill tawra magadi wi tawtu haibadi competent authority na sengok bi bantai ba onoi Manipuri sidi ya iroi sidi criteria fulfill tawri haira na moina madu praja singda convince on bitai asam ge asami siaw bi ba bengali siaw bi ba akoi nuai ba moi yor mo yaw da ko ju yaw ju ba ya ina hai bi sa ko kan na sa to jabani yaro ki da se Manipuri praja singda maroina Manipuri loan se kaya dumna law da ba Manipur se kaya thoi bi da ba wina law bi ra hai bi question to we ne ro ma se
Manipur governments become suppliers of arms to the miscreants. Community or group of class Manipur government ki police station arms on the other side it becomes supplier of arms to the miscreant. Willingly, intentionally, Karamba state or Karamba incidents like Kravage. Manipur Natana Sikuma Patota, Pulai Kunbu sophisticated Ambu Prazan, the Pitoka, Central Force in the PD. Other Manipur governments that are Sikarino, Laivakasi Laibra, Laivakasi Sirabra, Laivakasi Himibra, government si Sirabra, I say. Masina Marapur Kanda City. After Masa Mayam Sinsina, Nasidi Equasi, not the reward. सरकार ने कंट्रोल तहु तक नहीं तो कि ईरान से मसीह एक कोई खंडर का एक कोई नुकसान जाने का लेकिन देखिए हाल के फिल्म दा हंजर करना बा अमुक का हन्ना अपने तो जरी